Bhutan, a tiny kingdom tucked away in the Himalayas, often called the last Shangri-La. A place where happiness is more important than wealth, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, and where breathtaking landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see. But what makes Bhutan so unique? How does this small nation measure happiness? And why does it remain one of the most mysterious places on Earth? Nestled between China and India, Bhutan is like a world frozen in time. Unlike most countries, Bhutan doesn't measure its success by GDP. Instead, it uses gross national happiness, GNH, a concept that prioritizes well-being, sustainability, and cultural preservation over economic growth. While many countries chase wealth and industrialization, Bhutan focuses on balance, spiritual, environmental, and economic harmony. The people of Bhutan live by a philosophy deeply rooted in Buddhism. Kindness and compassion aren't just encouraged, they're a way of life. Even the government ensures that policies align with happiness and sustainability. This unique approach makes Bhutan one of the most contented nations on Earth. One of the most striking things about Bhutan is its breathtaking landscapes. Towering snow-capped peaks, lush valleys, and winding rivers paint a picture of untouched beauty. The country's commitment to nature is unwavering. More than 70% of Bhutan is covered in forests, making it one of the world's only carbon-negative countries. While the rest of the world battles climate change, Bhutan is actively absorbing more carbon than it produces. The air feels fresher, the rivers run clearer, and the mountains stand tall, almost as if guarding the nation's serenity. But this beauty isn't just a result of nature, it's also due to the country's strict environmental policies. Plastic bags were banned way before the rest of the world caught on, and tourism is highly controlled to protect the culture and environment. Speaking of tourism, visiting Bhutan isn't as simple as booking a flight and exploring freely. The country follows a high-value, low-volume tourism policy. Visitors must pay a daily fee, which includes accommodation, food, and a guide. This ensures that only responsible travelers enter, preventing over-tourism and preserving the nation's way of life. But those who do visit are rewarded with experiences unlike any other. From the legendary Tiger's Nest Monastery, perched on a cliffside 3,000 feet above the valley floor, to the annual Paro Tshecha festival, where masked dancers perform sacred rituals, Bhutan offers a glimpse into a world untouched by modern chaos. Perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects of Bhutan is its people. The Bhutanese lead simple yet deeply fulfilling lives. Family bonds are strong, and communities thrive on mutual respect and generosity. The streets are clean, crime is nearly non-existent, and strangers greet each other with warmth. Education and healthcare are free for all citizens. Schools teach traditional wisdom alongside modern subjects, ensuring that culture is never lost. Hospitals focus on holistic healing, blending Western medicine with ancient Bhutanese remedies. It's a nation where well-being is valued over profit. Despite its happiness and mystery, Bhutan isn't completely cut off from the world. Internet and television were introduced in 1999, making it one of the last countries to embrace modern media. But even today, Bhutan maintains a careful balance. While social media exists, its impact is carefully managed to prevent negativity and misinformation from disrupting peace. Bhutan has also embraced some aspects of modernization, but always on its own terms. The capital city, Thimphu, has no traffic lights, only police officers directing cars by hand. Fast food chains are almost non-existent, and traditional clothing is still widely worn. Change happens, but at a pace that aligns with Bhutan's values. Yet, for all its beauty and happiness, Bhutan remains an enigma. The royal family, deeply loved by the people, continues to guide the nation with wisdom. Ancient fortresses called zongs stand as symbols of Bhutan's past, while new generations carefully balance tradition with modern aspirations. Bhutan is proof that happiness isn't about wealth or technology, it's about balance, respect for nature, and a deep connection to culture. In a world obsessed with growth, Bhutan teaches a powerful lesson: sometimes, less is more. One of the most awe-inspiring sights in Bhutan is the Tiger's Nest Monastery, or Paro Tak Sang. Hanging dramatically on the edge of a cliff, this sacred site is a testament to Bhutan's commitment to preserving its ancient traditions while living harmoniously with the land. In Bhutan, happiness is more than just a state of mind. It's woven into every part of life, from the gentle laughter of children to the respect for nature that flows through the heart of every Bhutanese person. The Bhutanese value peace, simplicity, and community. Here, people live in harmony with nature, and every effort is made to protect the environment. Bhutan is also a living example of sustainable development. With over 70% of the land covered in forests, the country is a global leader in environmental conservation. Bhutan's commitment to maintaining its natural beauty is reflected in its pledge to remain carbon negative, meaning it absorbs more carbon than it emits. The beauty of Bhutan is not just in its landscapes, but also in its art, craftsmanship, and warm-hearted people. Whether it's the intricate paintings on the walls of temples or the delicate weaving of textiles, every piece of Bhutanese art tells a story of tradition and culture. Bhutan's beauty is not just seen in its landscapes but felt in the spirit of its people. In a world that often focuses on progress, Bhutan shows us that true wealth lies in happiness, peace, and a profound respect for the environment. Bhutan is a country where the mysteries of nature meet the mysteries of spirituality. Over 70% of Bhutan is covered in dense forests, some of which have yet to be explored by humans. These forests hold secrets that remain largely undiscovered. Hidden within the remote wilderness are legends of mystical creatures and powerful forces, perhaps the most famous being the stories of the Yeti, the elusive, abominable snowman, believed to roam the snow-covered mountains. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more travel stories, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.